Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this video. This is a review of the Autoglym Foaming Car Wash. Now, complete transparency here, I'm not endorsed, affiliated with, connected with, or any way incentivized by Autoglym. I've literally gone down to Halfords, bought this product as you would, and now I'm going to try it on my car. Now, this has previously been watched by the Polar Blast Wash and Seal. You can watch a separate review on that, and the wheels have been cleaned using Autoglym's Advanced All Wheel Cleaner, which is an amazing product. Definitely check that out. But now it's got a thin film of traffic dirt on there. I just want to give it a quick clean. I can't bother to get the pressure washer out, so I thought I'd give their foaming car wash a go. Let's see how it works. So to test this, I'm using two buckets, one to charge the mitt, one to wash the mitt, and there you are, proof that it's not endorsed by Autoglym. I've even got a competitor in there. In this one, I've got a grip guard from Autoglym. In this one, I've just got a cheaper grip guard from Halfords. I'll be honest, can't really see too much difference between them. The Autoglym one does sit a bit higher in the bucket. It sort of catches on the side rather than resting on the base at the bottom. But there we are. Right, let's fill them up. Foaming car wash and proof. It's a new bottle. So shake well. 2 capfuls. Ooh, that's nice and thick. Oop, there we are. Moment of truth. Foaming. A lot of bubbles. Right, that'll do. Done. First stage is to rinse the car down, and for the actual application of the foaming, whatever it's called, I'm using an Autoglym wash mitt, which is quite nice. It's got like a finger sewn into the middle of it. It's also got like a foam in it, so there's a bit of structure to it. It's quite comfortable to use. It's very pretty, white and purple, very nice. The top of the car isn't so bad. It's mainly the front, the bonnet, and the sides. I went all the way down to Bewley yesterday for Simply VW, and it absolutely hammered it down all the way there and hammered it down all the way back. Well, the main thing is it was sunny at the show. The back of the car's pretty filthy as well. Right, that's the car wash down. Let's work in top. Ooh, there's a lot of bubbles. Ooh. Seems to be cutting through the film all right. Those bugs seem to be coming off. Some fallout remover would definitely help, but I'm not going to use another product today. Because the grip guard sits so much higher in the Autoglym, but can you see? I can't reach the product. So I have to put some more water in there. And to put more water in, I'm going to add another cap to hopefully measure out the consistency. That's annoying because I can feel it starting to spit now. I don't know if you can see that it has got a lot more overcast, but what do you do? Just as I finished rinsing this car off, it absolutely started hammering it down with rain. So what's it called this? The foaming car wash. Thoughts on that? Overall, I thought it was a pretty good product. It did quite well at cutting through the traffic film and lifting the dirt off. Bear in mind, you're not doing any sort of pre-wash with this. You're literally just hosing the car down. I think 2 capfuls is a bit lean. I think it's better when you put 3 capfuls in. When I've added an extra capful to top up my bucket, it really foamed up a lot more. So I'd probably just put an extra capful in. I know Autoglym won't like me saying that, but I'm independent, so that's what I will probably do when I use it in future. Seems to work quite well with the Polar series as well. As you can see, the top is still beading up quite nicely. Down the sides it's beading less, and I think that's because of all the traffic film and a lot of the rain and water that's gone down the side. It's got about 1,000 miles since the last application. You can see it is starting to almost wear off a little bit. I think that's what's happening. But overall, yeah, pretty good product. I mean, it's a car shampoo. There's loads of them out there. It's not going to be anything revolutionary. Autoglym have brought out some pretty amazing products recently though. The Insta Dry towel, if you use that with the, I think it's called Quick Restore, I've just done a review on it. You can literally use that with the Insta Dry, a bucket, a grip guard, and just water and clean whole car down without even using the hose pipe. you can see that video, it's on the channel right now. As for this shampoo, yeah, I give that a thumbs up. It's not a bad shampoo and it's worked quite well. I'd just use it slightly thicker than they advise you to on the back of the bottle. All that's left to say then is thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up button underneath. That helps this video reach more people just like you. It helps my channel grow. And if you really enjoyed it and fancy seeing more from me, hit that subscribe button. You'll get a new video from me pretty much every week, and that's either on cars, bikes, trucks or tanks, whether that's reviewing said vehicle, reviewing a product for said vehicle, or presenting one of the many shows I present across the country throughout the year. Hopefully I'll see you at one of those, or I'll see you on this channel very soon. Thanks again for watching.